morning, Internet. It is Friday. It is a half of Jersey Shore Steel Day, so I can get some personal stuff done. This guy has been bothering me all morning, which I love. Haven't you? You say good morning? He's like, no. Yeah. He's still a little shy. But anyway, good morning, guys.
I just got up and I headed on over to Curtis's. He's taking half day from the mill, so I'll see him in a few hours, but I'm going to send him my footage from yesterday so he can add it to the vlogs real quick. So I'm going to do that and then wait for him to come home so I can spend a few hours with him.
This is not what I consider partly cloudy. Well, okay, maybe. But the sun is shining for the first time in days. I like it. Heading home. Spend a little bit of time with Kayla, get some things done that I need to get done. And then, 4 o'clock, go to work. Well, it's daylight, buddy, and I'm home. What do you do? Think about that. He's just looking out the window. He don't care. So, Kayla made some delicious buffalo chicken dip again. It's beginning a batch. The vlog actually finished uploading while I was at work. So, Mishka makes a return to the videos today. I'm kind of excited for that. She was so cute playing with Kayla's boot, lace, and boot. So, I'm going to get something to eat, hang out for a little bit, and catch up later. Boys!
Hi!
This one here had the bright idea of Dairy Queen's lunch.
We've been talking about it now for weeks. Like, literally
Do I want to turn it this one or the next one?
No, the next one. Okay. So, they have lunch, and then he mentioned about getting a blizzard from work up at the mill, and it's going to be there for him on Monday. And I've had that in my mind ever since he said that. So he was like, well, we can have something at home. And I said, no. Yes, over there. So we're going out for lunch before he has to go to Walmart.
Which is in like less than 2 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, well. I'll have to leave the house in 2 hours.
Right.
So...
Hey, look at that pool that I ran into. Oops, guys, you didn't hear that.
Oh, was it here?
Yeah, it was that big Dairy Queen sign I ran into.
We'll have to show you the damage on our car sometime. Lunch has been devoured. This is a Jurrassic, what, smash?
Jurassic World Smash thingy about our blizzard.
It's pretty much peanut butter cup and cookie dough.
Peanut butter cookie and cookie dough.
Hi, guys. We just got back from lunch. In a brief food coma, so going to relax in bed for a minute, but I got company in the form of Oliver. My little snuggle bud. It really looks like an artist has been doing some painting out there in the far distance of the clouds. It is weird. Remember how nice of a day it was? Well, it's not so nice now. It's pouring! But the good news is I have less than an hour to go. And then get to go home and cuddle with my baby. I'm excited. Guys, this weather's for the ducks, but the night is over. That's what matters. The night is over. I have to go home now. I'm going to come back at 11 o'clock tomorrow. Oh well. Can I just leave you up there? Nah, I won't do that to you. But I am going to close you up and go home. Guys, home. I'm getting ready to make some dinner. Kitty cat is just sitting. Probably can't even see him. Kayla is playing with her music. She's updating her match. I have never dealt with it, so I've got like 400 plus CDs sitting in the basement that I need to add.
Well, the issue is you cannot download them all at once. So the little cloud icon, you have to go through every single song. I have 6,000 songs playing hours at the moment. I'm hitting that button 6,000 times.
Fill in the blank. Not sure I've ever had this combination before, but chicken patties, hot dogs, and macaroni and cheese. It's not too bad. But I made it. Not this one, so it is what it is. And there goes the $600 phone. Alrighty guys, well thank you very much for watching. What did we just watch?
The Best of Me.
Happy, sad, lovey, infidelity, death, life. I don't know. It was alright. I still like Through Your Eyes, or whatever it was. In Your Eyes. In Your Eyes. I like that movie. The ending again, but whatever. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. After the rain tonight. I don't know if mowing's going to happen, but we'll try. Good night.
Night, guys.